ang pinaka-end goal ng isang business owner, no, ito, lagi ko tong tinatanong sa mga business owners, sa mga clients, no, bakit ka nag-business? And syempre, maraming mga sagot na, kasi gusto kong masolve yung ganitong problema. I want to change the world, no, I want to give more jobs, I want to help the community. But, if you would look at all those answers, no, at the core is this, di ba? Hindi mo magagawa lahat ng bagay na yun, all those noble reasons of why you started that business, if this is not met. Yung ma-maximize yung earnings ng owner. Because come to think of it, it's hard to change the world. It's hard to solve other people's problems through your services or your products if in the first place the business that you have is struggling, is dying.